Ever wondered how to incorporate ornamental grasses into your landscape? Or maybe you're not entirely sure what ornamental grasses are. These intriguing plants hold great potential to transform your garden in ways you might not have imagined. Well, stay tuned as we dive into the world of ornamental grasses and how you can use them to elevate your garden's aesthetics. Ornamental grasses are a diverse group of plants that add texture, color, and movement to your landscape. They're versatile, easy to care for, and can dramatically transform your space. Aesthetically pleasing and environmentally friendly, they're a landscaper's dream. Now that you have a basic understanding of what ornamental grasses are, let's move on to how you can use them in your landscaping. Landscaping with ornamental grasses is a simple process that can be broken down into easy steps. Let's dive right in. Firstly, choosing the right grass is key. Consider factors like the climate, soil type, and the amount of sunlight your garden receives. Some grasses love the sun, while others thrive in the shade. Next, on to the planting. Dig a hole that's about twice the width and the same depth as your grass's root ball. Place the grass in the hole, making sure the top of the root ball is level with the ground. Backfill the hole and firm the soil around the base. Maintenance is also straightforward. Water the grass until it's established, then only during dry spells. In early spring, cut the grass back to make way for new growth. And voila! You have successfully incorporated ornamental grasses into your landscape. The beauty of these plants is that they bring year-round interest and are easy to care for. Enjoy the aesthetic appeal they bring to your garden. So, you see, with a little knowledge and effort, you can transform your garden using ornamental grasses. They're versatile, low maintenance, and can add a unique aesthetic appeal to any landscape. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy landscaping!